those who are first time here, welcome to my channel, guys. It's me, Sunshine. So today with you guys, yes, we will do, oh my gosh, unboxing again. So this box, guys, is more heavier than the last box before that I opened. This one is so heavy. So I don't know what's inside. So help me to see, guys, what's inside this one. But while we open this box, of course, I want to hear his voice also. So we will call him, guys. Hello, honey.
Hold on a second. Let me get my AirPods. 1 second.
Okay, honey.
Okay, can you hear me?
Where's Han? Can you hear me too?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay, honey. I'm making a vlog now. Can you say hi to my viewers, please?
Hello, everybody.
Who are you, honey? Can you introduce yourself first?
Sure. My name is Robert Hardy. I live in the United States, Phoenix, Arizona. Work for U.S. Foods. I do enterprise IT. And I fell in love with Sunshine.
Okay, Mr. Robert Hardy. Your introduction, very awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for telling the world that you're in love with me. I'm killing here. Okay, honey. So
Badge of honor.
today, right now, I will open your box and let me see what's inside of this box, honey. What's inside of the box,
You're gonna
honey?
have to open this. You'll have to see, but you're gonna have to open a lot of tape. I put a ton of tape on it.
It's good. It's good. Secure. So anyway, I guess that this is the box, which is inside of it is very valuable things, and I know this is the best gift I ever received. I have ever received, honey.
Well, thank you for your optimism, but we'll see after you open it.
Of course, my love. I know everything inside the box makes me happy, makes me smile, put a smile on my face, as you always do to me. Always make me smile.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you too, honey. So, you said it's hard for me to. Oh my gosh, honey, I already smell it. So smell good. I already opened it, honey. It's so easy.
Okay, good. I was worried about you being able to open it easily.
Oh my gosh, honey. I'm smart of opening boxes, honey.
And you're super strong.
Yeah, but because of my arthritis, I'm not strong anymore. So guys, I already opened it. Oh no! Oh, hi Bobby. Bobby, do you know that Daddy already sent you a lot of clothes? Huh? Anyway, say hi to Daddy. Hi Daddy. I miss you. Oh, and this is so small. So smells so good.
It's a different scent. I sent you a different one this time.
You know what, guys? If you smell the letters of Bobby, you will fall in love with it. You will fall in love with the smell because it so smell good. Oh my gosh, honey! I already have a second baby. Oh no, so fast, honey. And this one is bigger. I don't know what name I will give it to him. All are boys. Oh, and look at guys. The shirt's so cool. I love it, the shirt, honey.
Yeah, me too. The lady that made the first shirt for me made the second one too. She did a good job with the printing.
Oh my gosh, so cool. It must be we have a shirt like this also, honey.
Yeah, you know what? I was thinking that same thing. I think that'd be cool.
Yeah. This says purple shirt, Char. So look at here, guys. So we already have a fan. Hi, Bobby. Meet your brother. Honey, you must be I'll be the one to give him a name.
Alright, I'll have to think about it.
It must be before you send this one here. You think already.
I thought you might want to give it a name.
No, I already gave the first one, honey. It must be we're fair to give them.
Alright. Well, let me think about it and I'll tell you.
And another thing is they have a lot of clothes. Oh my gosh.
Well, remember last time you were saying that you wish you had a blue shirt. So
Yeah. And I
got
thought
some
you
colors.
forgot it already, my love.
Of course not.
Oh my gosh. My forever love. My forever love. My forever love. Oh, I like this color.
Which one?
Yes,
The blue?
golden. Yellow.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's a nice color.
I smell it. Same the one I wear right now is yellow. So Bobby, it's time for you to change your clothes, okay?
Yeah.
What color you want, Bobby? Is it? Oh, okay. Same to Mommy. You're yellow.
Twins. Yellow.
Yeah, but the other one, the new one, yes, blue. So what are you doing now, hon?
Right now, I'm sitting on my couch talking to you on my AirPods, and I am looking at flights to Costa Rica for both of us.
Honey, it looks like it's big for Bobby the clothes.
That's okay, he'll grow into it.
What? Bobby will grow?
Yeah, he'll grow.
Oh my gosh, honey, that's so scary if Bobby
Same
will grow.
pears and eating vegetables, honey.
Oh my gosh, my Bobby looks so handsome. Same to his dad.
Oh my goodness. He's got your genes.
You look so handsome, honey. Look at you. You really looks like you, honey. Look so handsome.
Thank you. Appreciate it, honey.
So I need to wash yeah, it's big the one, honey. The old shirt, honey, is small. Look, very small. Wait. See the difference. So big. The new one, honey. I think the new one, honey, is the one who customized this is the size of the second one.
Oh, got it.
Because
Okay.
the new teddy bear is bigger than Bobby.
Got it. I was hoping they were going to be about the same size, but
No,
I guess
Bobby
it
is
ends up
small,
one
honey.
bigger than the other.
Oh my gosh, honey. I asked you to help me to stop drinking this one. But what you did now? You sent me a lot.
I did.
Why? I told you help me to stop drinking it.
Well, I encouraged you to stop drinking it, and every time you would stop, and you said, well, I can't stop, so maybe I'll just limit myself. So what I did is I found some types of coffee that are better for you. Send them to you.
Honey, how come it's better for me? How about not?
Well, oh yeah, I forgot about the nut part, but I don't know. I just hope it's just a higher quality coffee, better ingredients.
Okay, I will try to drink this, honey.
If you like it.
Amount per serving calories 10. Okay, total fat is 0 grams, 0%. Total carbohydrates 0%. Total sugar is 2 grams. Includes 2 grams added sugars, 4%. Oh, I need potassium. Yeah, Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
So have a coffee. And what is this? Chocolate, honey? Ah, no. I know it's chocolate.
No, no chocolate.
Wait. Oh my gosh. My favorite, guys, is a Boba Milk Tea Mochi. This is my favorite. Thank you, my love. Wow, it's 2 bags.
2 bags, yeah.
2 bags of Boba Milk Tea. Oh my god. And you buy a mangoes, dried mangoes. And it is made from Philippines. Sweet Memories of Cebu, guys. It's from Cebu. Let me open this. Because I know he knows that my favorite fruits is mango. So
Mine too.
that's why the vote is for me. Because usually if he know, the first time he bought the boba milk tea, yes, he know that I love to drink milk tea. And I was just shocking when I opened my box, the first block, when I opened it, I have a boba milk tea. Because when he saw that in the grocery, he was thinking that I will like it, I will love it because I like milk tea. And he was right, I love it. Really, really love it. So let me taste the dried mangoes. You know what, honey? My boss also, this one is really like to eat. But here, honey, is, yeah, the dried mangoes is expensive because they like also to eat mangoes. And also cocoa.
Oh,
No, no, yet. Because it's hard, honey, my brace will break up. So hard to eat.
oh. How are the thumbs up or thumbs down?
It's yummy, but it's hard.
Got it.
I can see in my video how I eat it. And I like it, honey. So yummy. Oh, so I understand now, guys, why this one is heavier than before. So Ate Shing, you have a letter also here for Ate Shing. And this one is for Ate Shing. This is the Bible, guys. So that's why I said that this box is, and the things inside is very valuable because of a Bible, and I know the Bible is the best gift that He gave to me. And this is for me. I have a Bible, but my Bible is very old, guys. My boss also was giving that to me when it was she was giving that to me 2008. So it was 2 decades, right, honey? 2008.
Yeah. Right.
So my Bible is very old, like me.
Oh my gosh. You're younger than I am. You're not old.
But you're looking young, honey.
That's you.
No, only my height only looking young.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You don't even look 29. You look way younger.
So if I look like younger, how old?
I would say like 22, 23.
Wow, my height is 22, maybe 18.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe teenager. 10 years old. So this is for me, guys. Wow, I love this Bible, honey.
It's the exact same one that I have.
I have the same Bible. Same color also?
Same color.
Okay. So we will start at the memory verse every day. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh no. This is my new Bible, guys.
It's also a thumb index, so you can find books more easily.
Oh, thank you, honey. So this one is a gift for our monthsary. So here is presented to my future wife by your future husband on the occasion of monthsary. Date. Why the date is different?
I put the date that I wrote in the Bible.
Oh, okay. So he wrote this one, January 5, guys. So now it's January 22. Open to you guys my favorite verse. Jeremiah 29, verse 11. So it says here, for I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. What version is this, honey?
It's a King James version.
Okay, KJV version. And NIV version is for I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. So in KJV, for I know the thoughts that I think toward you, said the Lord, thoughts of peace and not evil, to give you an expected end. So for I know the thoughts that I think toward you, so don't mind what other thoughts about you, just mind what God wrote you, guys. Thank you for this Bible, honey. This is the best gift I have received. Do you know what, honey? I've been posted before in my Facebook, my old Facebook, the One Sunshine Facebook. I always posted there that, oh, I hope someone will give me a Bible. But this time my Bible is very old. For you guys. So this is my Bible. It's very old. See? I already fixed this one, but still take out. And then inside on it, my name, and then my former boss. And then, oh honey, I posted here. Have you remembered before when you sent me the 25 lists that you like about me?
Yes.
So you sent it to me, and then have you remembered that I printed it out?
I do.
So what I did is I attached it on my old Bible.
Oh, okay, got it.
So I posted it here, the cover. Then the second page is the photo of my family, my sister, my mama, my two sisters, and then the next page also is my family, except my older brother here, because the time we took this photo is without my older brother. So that's why then the inside this one is many writings, many colorful highlights. So some highlights this one I will transfer it to my new Bible. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
So next, guys, what's inside in the box? Oh, I thought I'm done with the coffee, honey. I thought, guys, I'm done with 2 boxes of coffee. So I still have more. Why you didn't tell me, honey? I just recently buy my coffee. 1 box coffee for me.
Because if I tell you, it takes the surprise out of it.
Okay, thank you, my love, for surprising me. And this coffee, guys, have a different flavor, I think.
Yep.
Maxwell House International. So the flavor, I couldn't find the flavor. Where did you put it? Vanilla caramel, French vanilla. How to read it? Soy si mocha, mocha.
Okay.
Yeah, the first word.
Can you spell it?
Suisse.
Sweet.
Swiss.
Sweet.
Swiss mocha. And the other one is Capi Francia. Franchise. Sorry guys, I'm hard of reading this. Coffee. Francais. How to rate it, honey?
Francois.
What? Pardon, please?
Francois.
Fran.
Basically- It
CAIS?
basically means, yeah, it basically means French.
Okay. So here we go, guys. I told him to help me to avoid drinking coffee, but he bought a lot of coffee. That's good, honey. Good job, my dear.
Well, I tried to get you to quit, but I guess it wasn't in the cards yet.
So the next, guys, yes, this one is I already know that he sent this one to me because this is the first reason why he sent this box because of this. So he sent me a iron, vitamins. Oh, of course, a herbs, guys. This herbs is Italian seasoning. So he was said that this one is very good for barbecue, grilling. What else, honey?
Vegetables.
Salted vegetables is good for salted vegetables, so grilled vegetables.
Both.
Okay.
It's good for vegetables. It's good to put on meat, chicken, beef, pork. It's good to put on.
It looks like a laurel leaves, honey.
Yeah, it is. It's a blend of different leaves.
Oh, that's it. So one of the leaves here is laurel. Right?
Right.
Sounds that my diet in this one is broken diet. So I already have an iron, so what is for, honey? Oh my god, what is this again? Honey, I thought I'm done of coffee. So guys, still have more coffee, guys. So Don Francisco's coffee, and the flavor is vanilla nut. So natural and artificially flavored. So is this need sugar, honey?
You'll have to taste it. I don't know. I don't drink coffee. I haven't had coffee.
Oh, he's so good, guys. He doesn't even try this, and then he sent it to me.
You'll have to try it and see.
So what if this one is made with poison, honey? You didn't taste it yet.
Well, let's hope for the best. That it's not poison.
And then the other one is cinnamon hazelnut. So all are nut, which is very good for arthritis, guys. It is very good for arthritis. Hazelnut, nuts, good for arthritis. Right, honey?
Right.
Seriously? So 2, 4, 6, 8 coffees. 8 different kinds of coffees. And not 9 because the 2 coffees are the same. So the 2 coffees are the same. Only the Next is vitamin C, and this one is glucosamine. What is MSM, honey? With MSM?
MSM is a protein that's good for your joints.
So that's
So
how he
glucosamine
loved me,
is good
guys.
for
He was
glucosamine
very,
is good for movement and for your joints.
yeah, he's very concerned of my health, so he sent this vitamins for me. Iron
I take all the
because
same vitamins too.
my blood, I don't have enough blood. I'm anemic. I have anemia, so I need iron. Iron and then vitamin C to avoid the virus. And glucosamine for my joints. Thank you, honey. So these 3 vitamins, honey, I need to drink this at the same time.
Yeah, I would take them with a meal and then drink a full glass of water. Don't take them on an empty stomach or you'll get sick.
Okay, so I need to drink it with after I eat.
I would take them right before you eat and drink a full glass of water.
Before I eat. Before or
Drink the
after?
water you can drink the water when you eat, while you're eating, but take them right before you eat.
Right before I eat. Okay, thank you, my dear. So that's all the things inside of the box, guys. So thank you for watching. So the letter is, maybe I will not, do I need to blog it or, well, I will read it by myself, guys. Oh, this letter is for Ate Shing. Ate Shing, hi, see you in Chinese New Year. Here's the letter. So, honey, have you already
Yes,
think what we give name of our new baby?
No, not yet. I need to think about it more.
Seriously, honey? Oh,
Yeah,
poor
sorry.
baby. Your dad need to think some more time. I really love his clothes. It's unfair Bobby don't have like this clothes.
Poor Bobby.
Poor Bobby. Papa doesn't love you.
That's not true.
So we already have 2 babies, guys.
Is the new one jet lag?
Ah, yes, honey. It was said to me that he's very jet lag, honey. And
After a long journey.
yeah, and his face is sad, honey. Maybe he really miss you.
I miss him too.
So smell good. Bobby no more smell anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Poor Bobby.
Oh. His smell is not good now because of his new shirt. Oh my gosh. We already have a new shirt, honey. So we're done. Thank you for watching, guys. What you will say, honey, for my viewers? My viewers.
Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for supporting my beautiful girlfriend. If you could, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for your support.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Thank you, guys.
I look forward to being a part of your channel. Maybe when we're in Costa Rica, we can make videos together and we can have your audience get to know us.
Yes, honey. Oh, honey. Someone asked me why we don't do a video call.
Okay, do you want me to answer that?
Of course.
Okay. The reason why we decided not to do a video call is because we wanted the first time we see each other to be in person. We wanted our feelings and our emotions for each other to be genuine and based off of things other than our looks.
Yes. So that's the reason, guys. If you observe nowadays, a lot of couples that they matter see the looks. So sometimes they don't think that the one they're talking is real. Maybe they just used a fake photos, or maybe they just put a lot of filters. So between us, Bobby and I decided not to make that because we want that our feelings is true, it's real, it's not based on our physical appearance. So what's our heart says, so we follow it, not because of what the eyes see.
And don't get me wrong, I know I have the most beautiful girlfriend in the world. I know I'm really blessed. But I am super excited to see you in person soon and to be able to look into your eyes, tell you how much I love you and how beautiful you are in person.
Oh, honey.
It's just gonna be.
Honey, for sure you get
more.
disappointed because I'm just pretty on the videos. I'm just pretty on my
gosh.
photos because a lot of filters now, honey.
Nah, stop that.
And I'm just photogenic, honey.
Oh my gosh, stop it.
But he was said, guys, is he will be blind. If I am ugly, then he will be blind only.
I can be blind and not be able to see you, and I still love you just as much as I do being able to see you. It doesn't matter what you look like to me. All that matters is how you make me feel, and being able to make you happy, provide for you, and love you.
How about ng hair, guys? That's good, honey. Anyway, guys, so bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.